Will! Will!
You found me.
What are you doing here today?
I don't know.
Deep Talks with EVS Motors.
How come the tire price is up like $100 over the course of 2 years? Call inflation, bro. Do you also know that oil prices have gone up, which directly affects rubber, which is made from oil?
I don't understand what you're trying to do.
I gave you pure cost and you're like complaining. Look at this customer. Complaining when I'm not even making 1 penny and I do the install for free. You so stupid.
Hey, I should be charging you for not taking me to a Michelin star restaurant.
He talks like he's my day.
You know what he promised me? He said
Okay,
3-star Michelin, and I got a Chicago hot dog from the airport. Like, what kind of shit is that?
Good.
Okay, I'm gonna make you eat the shipping.
Wow.
No, I'm kidding.
Will?
I can't do math. Oh, it's this. Wait, 250.
243.
Oh, wait, hold on. I got ones.
No, stop. Stop.
Oh, there it is. That looks good. All right, very cool. Maybe a couple vlogs ago, I bought these Tesla rear badges that were matte black. I got them painted, cleaning the foundation before the installation.
There you go. Post heated. Rip it or keep it.
Yeah, it looks good. I like the blue. It's not exact match to the vinyl, of course, because this is paint and that's vinyl, but it's really close to us. It's a nice little mod that you can do to your car and it doesn't cost you that much. If you want the same badging for your Model 3 and you want to get them painted a different color beyond what it comes with, let us know, hit us up, we can do that for you. We haven't seen one of these in a while, a red Model X. Doing a full front end Clearbra on this, so the bumper, the hood, the fenders, you know how it is, guys. You know how it is, it ain't new to this. So full front end is getting protected. Oh, is this new? I don't remember the Tesla wheels having this black accent. I don't know how I feel about it. It's kind of cool. No, it's kind of cool. I like it. It adds a little bit more depth to it. Interesting. Wow, I wonder why they decided to do that. See, that's what I'm normally used to, right? But that one looks different. Better with the black in the middle here. Well, let's do just a tip, bro. What are you doing?
I'm getting comfortable. Can't you see? I'm still doing my chair. Now I'm comfortable. Let's do a tip of the day.
Just a tip, just a tip, just a tip with me.
When you have a car like this, you want someone to drive you. Same thing goes with detailing. You want to have someone detail the car for you.
Will, no one's gonna detail the car for you.
Yeah, they will. Oh, HAYWOOD!
Yes, Master Williams. Am I doing it right?
No, up and down, up and down. This is wrong.
I'm sorry, Master Williams. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. So we have this Aston Martin in here today. What we're doing is we're doing actually interior detailing as well as like exterior wash. I want to show you this on Aston Martin before we get started. It's something I noticed. I just want to inform you guys in case you guys are ever interested in getting a Clearbra done. You guys understand there's levels of quality when it comes to that. So this Aston Martin came to us with the full front end already Clearbra, but I did notice this thing as we were washing the car. It was really interesting to me. I've never seen this before. So this is a full hood coverage. It stops right here where my fingernail is. It stops right here. This is line here. It curves up and it does this weird straight cut across and it comes back down. You guys see that little sharp corner right there that's sticking up? I've never seen anyone cut Clearbra like this before. Normally you're supposed to go along with the edge of the corner, right? But as you can tell, they just kind of cut straight across, like I guess because they couldn't lay it down, but unfortunately now there's still a corner lifting. If you're planning to get Clearbra done, tint done, or any service done, it doesn't matter what it is, always ideally to go visit the shop in person. If you can see the work in person, that's even better, and just get a feel for it before you actually pay the money and drop off your car. That way you know exactly what you're getting and your expectations are met, if not surpassed. I don't really care who the installer was, not a big deal. I'm not trying to make fun of them or anything like that. I just want to bring awareness to you guys watching, just so then you are more knowledgeable. Then if you look on this side, they did a much better job going with the curvature of the hood. It's a completely different cut on this side. I don't know what happened on that one, but this one here is a lot better. So we got done prepping the interior of this car. What we're going to be doing next is applying a ceramic coating on the leather seats and like around the center console. Keep it looking clean, keep it staying clean. We're done with the Tesla Model X front end Clearbra, so let me show you what it looks like outside. Love how the film looks on the red. As you can see, the full front end is done. The hood, the bumper, the fenders, the mirrors, even the headlights are done. As you can tell, this is a EVS custom hood option. So what that means is the whole hood is bulked in one blank piece. We hand trim everything, which is why you don't see any relief cuts anywhere. Typically you'll see a relief cut right here, and even along this edge here. And for the fenders, we remove the fender flares that you see here. That way we get a better tuck on the bottom to minimize any lines showing as much as possible. It is ridiculous how clear the film is. I mean, just to give you guys an example, there's an actual edge right here on the fender, but you can't see it because the film is so clear. Super happy with how this came out. Super glossy, as you guys can see. Alright guys, that is it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. We want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Click up here to see a video recommended just for you. Down here for our newest video. Up here to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Look at Will, I'm walking back here. I feel like that guy from the Netflix show You. Have you guys seen that show? That stalker? But unfortunately, instead of stalking a pretty girl, I'm stalking Will, which is weird as hell. What's he doing with his mouth? Why does he look so sad?